Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we take a closer look at Janice Dean, the beloved Fox News meteorologist whose strength and voice have inspired millions. From weather forecasts to fierce advocacy, Janice's journey is one of courage, family, and purpose. But after years of public service and personal trials, many ask, where is she now? Let's find out. Janice Dean was born on the 9th of May, 1970, in Toronto, Canada. Before becoming a household name in American broadcasting, she worked in several radio and TV stations across Canada. Her big break came in 2004, when she joined the Fox News channel as a meteorologist. Known for her warmth and humor, Janice quickly became one of the most recognizable faces on Fox and Friends, where she served as the network's senior meteorologist. But beyond the forecasts, her journey has been one of personal strength, especially after being diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2005. Janice married New York City firefighter Sean Newman in 2007, and together they have 2 sons. Life, however, has not always been easy. In 2020, she tragically lost her in-laws due to COVID-19 in New York nursing homes. That moment changed her forever. She became a leading voice demanding accountability and reform in the state's nursing home policies. Her openness and advocacy gained national attention, showing the world her courage beyond the weather screen. After the heartbreaking loss, Janice shifted part of her focus toward activism, writing, and motivational speaking. She continued her work at Fox News, but also began authoring books, including the children's series Freddie the Frogcaster, which helps kids learn about weather in a fun and safe way. She also launched the Janice Dean podcast, where she speaks with guests about hope, healing, and resilience. Where is Janice Dean now? As of now, Janice Dean continues to work with Fox News in New York City, while balancing her podcast, writing projects, and advocacy for MS awareness and nursing home reform. She remains one of the most respected women in American broadcasting. Despite her health challenges, Janice's optimism never fades. Those close to her say she continues to live her life with gratitude and grace. Janice Dean's story is one of perseverance and purpose, a reminder that even through life's toughest storms, we can still bring sunshine to others. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life updates on where they are now.